Here is an overview of Islam in Japan, covering its history, current population, and key institutions. Chart with upward trend current population and demographics. Islam is a minority religion in Japan, but its community has seen significant growth. Population. As of 2019, the Muslim population was estimated to be around 230,000. This is a more than twofold increase from the 110,000 estimated in 2010. Demographics. The community is composed primarily of foreign-born immigrants, approximately 90%, from countries like Indonesia, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Turkey. The remaining 10%, estimated around 50,000, are ethnic Japanese converts. Growth. It is considered one of the fastest growing religions in Japan, largely driven by immigration and, to a lesser extent, conversions. Scroll history of Islam in Japan. While there may have been isolated contacts with Muslim traders centuries earlier, a distinct Muslim community only began to form in the early 20th century. Early 20th century, the first organized Muslim communities were established by Tatar refugees, also known as Kazan Tatars, who fled Russia after the October Revolution in 1917. They settled in cities like Kobe and Tokyo. First converts. The first ethnic Japanese person to convert to Islam is recorded as Kotaro Yamaoka, who took the name Omar Yamaoka in 1909 after converting in Bombay. First mosques. Japan's first mosque. The Kobe Mosque was built in 1935 with funding from the Tatar and Indian trading communities. It notably survived the WWII bombings and the Great Hanshin earthquake in 1995. The Tokyo Mosque, now Tokyo Kami, was built shortly after in 1938 by the Tatar community. Post-war growth, the population remained small until the 1980s, when Japan's economic boom attracted a large number of immigrants and foreign students from Muslim-majority nations. This wave of immigration established the foundation for the community as it exists today. Mosques and institutions. Reflecting the community's growth, the number of mosques in Japan has risen from around 24 in 2001 to more than 110 today. Tokyo Kami and Turkish Culture Center, located in Tokyo. This is the largest mosque in Japan. The current building was completed in 2000 and is known for its stunning Ottoman-style architecture. It also serves as a major Turkish cultural center. Kobe Mosque, as the first mosque in Japan, it holds significant historical importance for the community. Other centers, mosques and Islamic centers can now be found in most major cities, including Nagoya, Osaka, Fukuoka, and Sapporo, providing prayer spaces and community support.